world-class medical experts. They determine whether or not you get the vaccine, and now you are about to meet one of those experts.
I am board certified in pediatric infectious diseases. So I'm an infectious disease specialist, and obviously coronavirus is an infectious disease.
Ofer Levy, MD, PhD, is a native New Yorker who runs the Precision Vaccines program at Boston Children's Hospital, and he's on the faculty of Harvard Medical School. Pfizer applied for an emergency use authorization to distribute its vaccine as soon as possible after developing it and running it through trials over the last 9 months or so. Some vaccines take up to 2 decades to make and are less effective.
Even a vaccine that would have 50, 60, 70% efficacy would be considered a win, but here to have 95% is really excellent. There's still a lot of questions that need to be answered.
That's why on Thursday, the committee will meet all day virtually, but you can be in the meeting too. It will all be online.
The first half of the day will be presentations by various scientists involved in the process. And then in the second half of the day, after the public comment phase, the committee will deliberate, ask questions.
And then they'll vote. All of the materials the committee of world-class experts will review, you get to review right here on the FDA website. Its YouTube channel is already open for when the proceeding begins. Some 300 million people worldwide are expected to watch.
I think that transparency is absolutely critical for the American people to have confidence in the process.
Dr. Levy makes clear his comments are his own, and based on 3 decades of detailed research, he's skeptical still regarding what he's seen so far about the vaccine.
For now, this looks very, very good. And the data, as has been shared publicly, look very, very encouraging.
He also says he hopes one thing can emerge from what we've all dealt with this past year.
That we also learn the longer-term lessons and invest in those public health systems, those surveillance systems, to make sure we protect the United States and indeed the world against future pandemics. Because I hate to say it, but as sure as the sun rises tomorrow, there will be another one.
And again, he will be on that committee that will vote on whether or not Pfizer's vaccine comes to you. And in full disclosure, he is a close friend of mine. All of the material that he and the rest of the members of the committee will be reviewing are available to the public. You can access them right now by just going to my Facebook page at facebook.com/James Ford TV, and we'll have all of the information available, of course, on all Pix11 platforms. Right now, reporting live from Midtown, outside Pfizer World Headquarters, I'm James Ford, Pix11 News.